Hello, welcome to Sniper Trades. Today we are going to make a video about the second part of our previous video, that is how to intraday trade stocks, index and commodities with the help of our Excel tool. So in the previous video we have seen how to calculate the levels for intraday trades with the help of our Excel tool. So in this video we are going to discuss some backtesting of some stocks, and also we will see how to trade with these levels, and I'll put the link to this previous video in the description section. Please subscribe to our channel and also enable the bell icon right next to it to get all the notification when I upload a new video. I'll be posting new videos about technical analysis, intraday and positional trades and much more, so stay tuned. So now let's go to nsindia.com and type a name of a stock, and typing here Reliance. Now click get derivative codes. Now we have to check the contract details. I am selecting here October contract and go to historic data, and we have to take 1 month data, so select that and click get data. Now we are going to copy this entire field and go to our Excel tool. We will paste it in sheet 3. Now the contract details are pasted here. Now we have to enter the closing price of previous 10 days into the respective fields here. For that we have to enter equal to here in the first row. Now go to sheet 3 and click closing price of 26th September and click enter. Now the closing price of 26th September is placed in the SL number 1. Now simply click and drag downwards up to the 10th field. Now the previous 10 days closing price from 26th September and backwards is placed into the respective fields. Now we have to input reference price. Reference price is nothing but previous day's closing price. We are calculating the levels for 27th September 2019. We are backtesting the levels for 27th September. So the previous day here is 26th. So the closing price of 26th September is 1304.45. See here. We are just going to type in here 1304.45 and click somewhere else. Now the levels are automatically generated. Now we are going to zero the charts and we are going to backtest the levels. We are going to Reliance chart. I am using here 3 minutes Heikin-Ashi candles. Now what we are going to do is we are going to mark horizontal lines in this chart for the uptrend and downtrend levels. So the levels for 27th September is, according to our calculation, the uptrend starts at 1312.35. So we are going to mark a horizontal line at this price level. Okay, around here. Okay, the uptrend level is marked. Now we are going to mark the downtrend level 1296.55. Okay, anyways the price has not reached the downtrend zones in 27th September, but the uptrend level is active. See here. Okay, we will not consider a position before 9:30. Okay, for safe traders, better avoid trades before 9:30. Let the price settle first. So the uptrend level is activated later at around, let's say, after 9:30 the uptrend levels is activated and the price moved further upwards. When we place the mouse cursor on a particular candle, the high price is shown here in H. H signifies high made by a particular candle. So the high made by this candle is 1324.25. So now let's go back to the Excel file and see how many target is achieved. 1324.25 is a high made. Okay, the target 3 is not achieved, that is a reversal zone 1, but the price has managed somewhat below, just below the target 3. Target 2 is achieved. So the reversal zone 1 is nothing but a significant resistance after this resistance. This is a resistance, this is a major resistance, and after this resistance price will be affected by this and this resistance, two resistances which are of some significance. So let's see, at this level 13225 levels price must be slowed down. So see here 1325 at around price reaching before reaching this level, prices get price tends to come down. See, the price is getting downwards. So that is what the 27th level was about. So now let's go back to the Excel file and test the levels for 26th. For that we have to calculate the levels for 26th. For that, put the closing price of 25th September into the first row and drag downwards. So the closing price of previous 10 days from 25th and backwards is placed into the respective fields. Now let's put the reference price as 1289.75, which is nothing but the closing price of 25th. So the levels are generated for 26th. Now let's go back to the 26th chart and mark the levels. So it says downtrend starts at 1281.92. 81.92. Okay, let's mark anyways. The price has not reached that level in 26th September, but the uptrend levels is activated. 1297.58 is the uptrend level. 97.8. Okay, 97.58. Okay, after reaching this level, the price has managed to reach a new high at around 945. The high made is 1308.50. Okay, let's go back to the Excel tool and Excel file and see how many target is achieved. 08.50 is the high made. 08. Okay, here too target 3 is not achieved, but it has managed to achieve target 2 and reach somewhat little more higher. This is a resistance zone, so the price is getting slowed down and rejected. See, the price is getting downwards at that level, at around target 3 or reversal 3 zone. The price is getting rejected and coming down. Okay, that's what the 26th level says us. Okay, now let's clear this data and let's check levels for Maruti. Okay, I'm typing here Maruti. Let's repeat the process I have shown you before. Get derivative codes, selecting October contract, click historic data, and importing 1 month data and copying it to our Excel tool. we are pasting it here. Now we are going to generate levels for 27th. So the closing price of 26th and backwards up to 10th, 10 numbers should be inputted. So we are going to sheet 3 and going to click the closing price of 26th. Okay, it's done. Now click drag downwards. Now the reference price is 6905.7, which is the closing price of 26th. Okay, now the levels are generated. We are going to the Maruti charts. Yes, Maruti. Okay. Okay, similarly we are going to mark horizontal lines in this chart too. Okay, it says uptrend starts at 6978.30. Okay, it's around here. Price has not reached that level in 27th September. Similarly, let's mark the downtrend zone. The downtrend starts at 6833.10. Around here. See, after breaking this support level, the price has managed to come downwards and made a low 6777. So let's go to Excel file and see how many target is achieved. 6777 is the low made. Okay, so the target 1 is achieved. And let's go back to the Reliance chart and I'll show you one thing I have seen. The resistance was at around here, and the support was at around this level, which is given by our Excel tool. So see, our Excel tool is automatically detecting the support and resistance which are of significance. So see, this is a significant support because the price is getting slowed down at this level. See, the price is the region where the levels where the price is spending much of its time is called its support or resistance. So this line is 27th September 2019's support level. So on reaching this level and breaking this level, the probability of price going further downwards is more. That is what the Excel file says. And on reaching this uptrend zone, which is the resistance of significance, the price tends to move upwards. That is what the Excel file says. So as we can see, the price on reaching this level moved further upwards and getting slowed down at target 3 or resistance zone 1 or reversal zone 1. That is what the level is about. We will get the significant resistance and support of previous 10 days with this strategic Excel file. And also for the people who wants to place stop loss, I'll show you how we can do that. For the long position, our stop loss will be around the downtrend zone. If we are placing a buy order here, we will place a stop loss at the downtrend zone, which is the trend changing zone. And when we are placing a sell order here, our stop loss will be around the uptrend zone level. That is it around. For the people who is asking why is this stop loss somewhat wide, I have to tell that we are putting stop loss on the basis of technical analysis. So this uptrend and downtrend level is the point where the trend changes in one direction according to a price action strategy. So this is why we are putting stop loss at the trend changing zones. When one trend is active, that is example, the uptrend level is active, the probability of price touching the other trend zone, that is the downtrend zone, without hitting the target is very less. I have checked this level for a long period, and the probability of hitting stop loss without giving targets is very less. So as we say about all the strategies, this is not a holy grail. It has its own disadvantages. Rarely it hits a stop loss, but as I saw, the winning probability is more for almost all days. Sometimes it hits a stop loss, and remember that this level is valid for the whole day. When we are calculating the levels for 27th, these levels are active for the whole day from market opening to market closing. So traders must be patient too. For the traders who are not patient and who are very conservative and scared, I have to say one thing: you can use manual trading also, manual trailing also. For example, on buying at this point uptrend zone levels, when the price is moving in our favorable direction, that is upwards, we can manually trail our positions to target 1, target 2. Okay, for the ones who are scared, they can book at target 1 also. And also when the price moving in our favorable direction, you can also trail to cost or profit. That's all your wish. This is for conservative traders only. And also note that for the safe traders, we only take a position after 9:30. For risky traders, we can take a position after 9:18. After this first candle is formed, we won't trade in this candle. Okay, and also note that we won't take a long position in a red candle, and we won't take a short position in a green candle. We are using here Heikin-Ashi candles. The reason why I always use Heikin-Ashi candle is that it is very beneficial for me in manually trailing a position. As we can see, each new candle is formed at the center position of previous candle. See, this is the speciality of Heikin-Ashi candle. So if we miss an entry, say we missed an entry in this candle, so we can plan an entry in the next candle at around the center level of this candle. The next candle will be formed at the center position of this candle. So that is the advantage of taking entry with the help of Heikin-Ashi candles. You can also use in other time frames also. I am using and saying an example in 3-minute candles. We can also do manually trailing positions once the movement starts in favorable positions. So for an example, if we take a position, if I take a buy position here, buy position in this candle, we can manually trail our position once the movement in upward direction starts. So when a new candle is formed, we can trail our position manually to the previous candle's low position, that is here. And when the when again a new candle forms, we can manually trail our position back to the lower end of this previous candle. Likewise, when this candle is formed, we can trail our position back to the lower position of this candle. That is the advantage of using Heikin-Ashi candles. So we will get the maximum advantage of the movement. This is a method which I use. I am not forcing you to use this method. You can also use your own methods. So what's next to say about these levels? Let me think. Okay, I think we are finished with the backtesting video. Okay, let's do one more backtesting of Maruti levels. Let's check levels for 26th. Okay, let's clear this first field. Let's put equal to and go to the closing price of 25th. Now click enter and drag downwards up to 10th field. Now enter the reference price as 6703.5, which is the closing price of 25th. Okay, now the levels are generated. Let's go back to the chart and let's mark levels for 26th. Okay, so it says downtrend starts at 6634.16. Okay, the downtrend the downtrend levels is not active in 26th September. So let's mark the uptrend levels 6772.84. Okay, around here, as we can see, upon reaching the uptrend levels in 26th September, the price has moved upwards so much. Let's see what's the high made. The high made is by this candle 6935.20 is a high made. Okay, see, the target 4 is achieved. Okay, the target 3 is achieved, which is also the reversal zone 2 or resistance 2, which is of significance. So upon reaching the reversal zone 2, the price has managed to come downwards. See, there is a downward thrust. The price tends to slow down and come downwards. So for almost all days, these levels is giving us good profits. Rarely it hits our stop loss without giving us targets. So that's it for the backtesting video of part 2. So for those who don't know about our Telegram channel, go to our YouTube channel and click the Telegram channel button, which is placed at the right corner. So subscribe and stay tuned. I'll be uploading new videos about technical analysis and intraday trades. I'll be also concentrating on position trades, but I am doing more videos on intraday trades. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye.